Hi guys, I haven't started a video in my car in a long time, but here I am. I just got back from the grocery store right here in my neighborhood, the market, and it's a snowy New Year's Day, and Bob had to go and leave to go clean up the snow at the school, and I feel a little bit overwhelmed. I have a lot of cleaning up and putting away to do. And I figured that I would take you along on this New Year's Day vlog just to show you how I'm going to get through all the after holiday clutter. Everything is everywhere. We bought a new Breville toaster oven. I'm still trying to figure out how to fit it in the kitchen. So I'm going to do some holiday decor takedown, but I'm also going to make a soup in my Instant Pot using the slow cooker mode, and I'm just going to try to spruce up my living room. I have some ideas that I'm going to share with you and just take you along with me. So I hope you enjoy and come along. Alright guys, so I'm back inside my house. I've got a couple of bins that I brought up from the garage that I'm just gonna kind of get rid of all the Christmassy stuff. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to make my soup. So I'm gonna just show you what I picked up at the grocery store, just in case you're curious as to what I bought. And then I'm gonna show you how I put the whole soup together. There are a few ingredients that won't go in until the very end because they don't, either they're pre-cooked already or they don't need a lot of time to cook. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna kind of set up the camera and let you see what's going on with my cleanup. I've already taken down the big Christmas pictures. I still have one there, but I am not sure what I'm gonna put there yet. And also I am looking to redo my living room. I got some new curtains, which I will show you. What I have been thinking about, I took the white cover off of the couch a couple of days ago, and I had put that white on there to give a basic white background so that I could use the red and green blankets for the Christmas look. But I took it off, and then I've been like, oh, I wish I had a beige couch. And should I go out and buy a beige couch or a cream color couch? And then I thought, well, why do that? Why don't I just coordinate with my navy blue sofa and try to get some curtains and a cover for my lazy boy and just kind of decorate with that in mind so that I don't have to go out and really buy anything new other than maybe some throw pillows and some throws. So I got some pictures off Pinterest, which I will talk about a little later in the video, but I also got these balloon curtains. They're blue and white stripe, and I'm gonna put those up. I don't know if I'll do that today, but I am getting really excited about sprucing that up and doing all of my decor using that navy sofa. So I'll share all of that with you in a later video, but for now, I'm just gonna get my Christmas stuff out of the way. So let's make the soup. Let's see what I got at the market and let's make the soup. I didn't just get stuff for the soup, I got stuff for the next few days as to what we're gonna be eating. So the first thing I got was these are lavash wraps. I compared them. We're trying to cut down on calories. We have absolutely gained so much weight, and I compared these to the flour tortillas. These have 120 calories. The flour tortillas had like over 200. So I'm going with these, and what I'm making with that is Caesar salad, chicken Caesar salad wraps. So I got these chicken Caesar salad kits, but also I got my deli over at the market here in the Pine Hills sells some grilled chicken that they make there. So I got grilled chicken, which I will cut up, heat up in the microwave, toss it with some chicken Caesar salad kits, and I'll put them in a wrap, and we will have some delicious sandwiches to have at home rather than going to the sub shop to get them, because when we go to the sub shop to get them, They're delicious, but we also usually buy fries to go with them. So we're gonna stay away from that for a little bit. I got some apples, and my favorite are Fuji's. I love a nice, sweet, firm apple, so I got Fuji's. Then I got some filters for my coffee maker. I usually use a filterless, like a gold filter that came with it, and I have to empty out the grounds. And it is kind of gross, and you're dumping it, and it's getting everywhere. And if you watched my last vlog video, we went and rented a house for the Christmas week, and they had these filters for the coffee maker, and it was so much easier to get rid of the grounds. And I'm like, why am I doing that to myself? So I got myself some filters to make life easier going forward. All right, I got some grapes for us to snack on instead of all the chocolate and cookies that we've been snacking on for the holidays. So those look good. I got some clementines, which I absolutely love, and I can always go for one of these after any meal, lunch or dinner, and I usually will grab 2 of these, and it's a healthy, delicious snack, and they're in season right now, so they're probably at their peak. Then, all right, so here's some stuff for the soup. So I got some cannellini beans that I'm gonna put in my soup, celery, of course. I got these tiny little potatoes, so I don't have to cut up any potatoes. I can just pop these in the pan, the Instant Pot. I got some carrots, and I got some crushed tomatoes. I got my chicken broth. I did not get low sodium. I probably won't be putting much salt in my soup. I got some organic basil to sprinkle in there. I got my cabbage. I got an onion, of course. Then we needed coffee. I got some fresh ground coffee. The beans are there they have a little setup where you can grind the coffee. Nothing smells better than fresh ground coffee, so I picked that up. I got some garlic for my soup. And then I got, these are 2 little things I want to try. If you've been hearing a lot lately about mushroom coffee and mushroom teas, I really want to try the mushroom stuff. This is a light earth coffee with lion's mane, reishi, and cordyceps, I'm not sure, but it's also coffee. So my dad gave me a coffee maker, the little, I don't know what you call them, but I had asked for that for Christmas. So I'm gonna make this coffee in that little coffee press. And then I also got some hibiscus earth tea, which is a tea blend of lion's mane, reishi, and cordyceps, or whatever those are. So the mushrooms are really healthy for us. I am really looking to incorporate them into my lifestyle this year for optimum health. Then I got some OJ. Now, if you guys have Natalie's orange juice where you live and you haven't tried it yet, this is the best orange juice out there. It's like fresh, it's nothing artificial, it's just pure OJ, and it is delish. I got another chicken broth, and then I got a few of these little grapefruit cups. I looked at this, the sugar is not that high, so it's only 60 calories a cup. This is a great dessert to have after a meal. And lastly, I got some green tea. I usually like the kombucha tea, but I think it's yogi, I'm not sure. But anyway, they didn't have that at the market. So I got this. This looks really, really good, and it saves the tigers, or it does something good with the tigers, which I love tigers. So this is some Hampstead organic pure green tea. So I got that. All right, so that is my grocery haul, and I am going to start my soup. had thought that the snow was stopped this morning, but it is really coming down out there, which means Bob's gonna be stuck at the school for quite some time. Let's go see what a New England snowstorm looks like, because I did not expect this today. It's coming on to the balcony, which it usually doesn't. But it really does look like the North Pole out here right now, and I'm already getting snowed on. So, wintry New Year's Day here in New England. Perfect day for me to just hunker down and tidy up. All right, so these are Christmas presents that we haven't even taken out of the bags yet, because we really have just been getting through the last couple of days after Christmas. The weekend after Christmas, we basically just laid on the couch and did nothing. So I'm probably not going to take my tree down today. I'm probably going to leave that for the weekend. I go back to work tomorrow. We only had today off for New Year's. So I'm going to leave that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to take all my Christmas stuff off the TV and out of this room. And I will probably take it off my coffee bar as well, but we shall see. I'm going to try to get this as cleaned up as possible. I don't know what I can fit into those bins there. And just to show you the magazines I'm reading right now, I'm reading Daphne's Diary. This is actually one that I picked up at Barnes & Noble around Christmas time, but it looks like it's really more of a fall one. I'll have to go back and check out what they have for the winter season, but I love looking through it. It's just fun. This is the book for the new Breville toaster oven air fryer. I got this for Christmas, which I'm very excited about. It is the cookbook for the seasons, the one that came out after the season ended, and then they did the 4 winter, spring, summer, fall. There's some really great recipes in here I definitely will be trying. And I have fallen in love with this Simply Scandi magazine. I'm getting back to my Finnish roots, and I'm gonna try to live really simply, especially for January and into the new year. So I'm really kind of excited about incorporating some of that into my home. This was a fall one, and I sent away for it. This is just kind of keeping my place here in this. But great ideas. Hello, Bo. And then this one I picked up, which is kind of an after season stuff with ideas. So I may get to that too. Hi, Bo. Come here, Bo, Bo, Bo. Bo, Bo. Okay, you're just going to ignore me now. Good. I'll come around to see you. Cozy? Yeah, this is the best place to be, isn't it?
Never let him get you down. Gonna make you stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. Cause I got my collection. 따뜻한 물에 bathe. 향기 가득한 로션 촉촉해져. My cocoa bomb. Oh, I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. 그랬었길 바랬던 예전 소원 이룬 날 너의 문자 사탕 같은 말 숨길 수 없는 payday. 고소한 coffee, yes, we go on and on. Collect them all. I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just wah 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 wah. Oh, baby.
All right, guys. Well, it is 12:30 and I am stopping for the day now. I am going to give myself at least half the day as my celebratory day off. Bob is still not home, so he should be coming in sometime this afternoon, but I have my soup cooking and I am much neatened up from this morning. I feel really good about that. So I haven't taken everything down. You can see that that joy wreath is still there, but I love joy, so I'm just going to leave that up for now. And I also didn't take my tree down, but I think everything looks great and I am excited to just sit and chill. So I'll give you a tour of how everything looks and I will share with you right here a couple of the images from Pinterest. I'm creating a vision board for what I want the living room to ultimately look like. It's not going to be exact, but these are some of the images that I'm thinking of. So come back and check out my next video because in my next video, I will have my living room all made over and hopefully it comes out great and you love it. So anyway, guys, enjoy the tour, enjoy your new year, and may you all be blessed and happy and healthy in 2026. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.
사라질까 두려워, fight for it. To make it stay just fine, yeah, yeah. I like it, I go like